back with another food review. So I am around my neighborhood, so it is a breakfast place. It's called Happy Joy. Service is not, I wouldn't call it bad. Super subpar. I give service 65. So like these two pancakes, super basic on the pancake, 70. As far as my grits, I like my grits very fresh. These some serious seasoning. It's a lot of butter. These need some salt and pepper. 60 on the grit. So this is home fries right here, and this is a mushroom cheese omelet over here. So I'm gonna taste the omelet first, 5 on the mushroom cheese omelet. And that crazy about this home fries, 70 on the home fries. You know I love my toast. I got some rich jelly on the side. Toast is toast, 75. Alright, y'all.